Big up Burpees, we certified mad. When people are dead, that make me feel glad.
Okay, so you're a bad man. No, you're a bad man. Basically, you tell me say you're a bad man and you big up papes like Burpees.
Reaction.
Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And I am back in to make another video for you guys. Right now I have Azariel x Stiffy song called Belly, official music video reaction by The Reaction Boss. And the crowd goes wild. There once was a time when there was no one reacting to strictly Caribbean music until The Reaction Boss came along and he fucked the world up. He took it over by storm, inspired a lot of people, and now we got a whole bunch of copycats, but there is only one Reaction Boss, and you know what the thing, you know the jackets. Rachun!
Yeah, right now I want Donny, but you know no bad boy for me now. I'm saying Benny too like Donny right now, but no belly for Donny. Me right
You
now,
can't mash hands. I chat him and chat him.
bad boy, right kill that right now, but
You not kill a soul. Yes, class. Let me take you back.
you violate me, pussy, now saying for you dead boy.
Why you under Chimbo, sir? Why man a Chimbo, sir? What kind of bad man you be that? Brother, what kind of bad man you be, brother? You can't bust gun. Shame myself for the tour general.
Why send this voice note to Azariel, you know?
Anybody could get gun, flame them. You gotta get belly.
So not bad man. So no could tell me so not bad man. When I'm a best I react to the music and I go on the most, we are a bad man on the sykes over there. You couldn't tell me say you're a bad man? No, no different. You couldn't tell me so not bad man over there. You not boss go. You not boss up boy head. You couldn't tell me so not bad man. No sir. Go on. Don't send a voice note to somebody.
Use it. West them, poor giant. Caution them. Lawless full of belly dog, man, very bad. Big up Burpees, we certified mad. When people are dead, that make me feel glad.
Okay. So you're a bad man. No, you're a bad man. Basically, you tell me say you're a bad man and you big up papes like Burpees. You tell me say you're full of belly and you're a bad man. And that's all I'm going to talk about the whole video now. You're a bad man and never tell me so you're a bad man over there. Watch me your bum buckle bell today. Go on.
When you talk about belly, them don't have any. Talk about belly, my dogs got belly, got belly. My dogs got belly.
When you talk about belly, them don't have any. But film does got. Oh, so you're a bad man. Okay, no, you're a bad man. You're a bad man. And that me I talk about the whole video. You're a bad man. Go let me hear what you have to say.
Walk with the rifle, we sing R. Kelly got belly. My dogs got belly. Broad daylight, we a fly boy jelly got belly. Left you.
In a broad daylight, you're in a broad daylight, you're flying boy jelly. You see I talk gun in the waist? You talk about belly, your dogs and got many. You're a bad man. As me say, that's the talk of the town. Right now in the comment section, I want to see you start commenting. You're a bad man. And that you comment. You're a bad man? Alright, go on.
Play Shelly. All of my dogs got belly, yeah. Real belly. Body rotten and smelly. Run up on your fast like my just pop daddy. One box. That ring off your celly. Boss boy head, let me.
Hold on. You're a bad man. Run up on your ends. Hold on. It sings like R. Kelly. Then you come and talk about your one box like you just. You're a bad man. Okay. Okay. It's alright. Make go watch a video now on a different level. Go on.
with the confetti, carry feelings that too damn heavy. We not got a heart, so we cool like New York City. Never you medi, you suicidal shit.
They got the heart so cool like New York City. You know, New York ever cool. Alright, you're a bad man. We don't talk about bad man things on. Right, run bumbo clutch. You don't want to see BFM much of the comment section right now. If you're saying you're bad, if you're saying you're bad, you know, if you have no one comment, you know, people. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. No, not 2. Why? No one comment, no 2 comment. 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 comment in my comment section, please. And thank you. And if you don't know what to comment, comment some fire emojis. Amen? Amen. Let's go!
Jump off the jetty, the real belly dogs them. We got we education, but we not have sense.
Yeah.
And if you lock behind your gate, we jump fence. So when they talk about your life,
You think like in a gate can't stop this. Them things like in them gate can't stop the bad man them, you know. Yeah, bad man. Them things like in the gate can't stop the bad man them, you know. But they make you know say he's gonna jump the fence. The man gonna scale the fence because you're a bad man. Good.
past tense, you're dead before you blink, no conscience. Copper meet up with your face like conference. Bullet between your sense and your nonsense. Nobody
Lyrics. Bullet between your face and your nonsense. Oh. You're a bad man. You're a bad man. Yep. This is because you're a bad man. We can't to look in it. Can't to look in your eye them in a dark. Where darkers there? Darkers, where you there? Where you there? Which part of darkers there? No, Lord. Don't do this to me. You can't do this. You can't do this. No. No. Mega man. No. 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 No, 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 there's no fear. You're a bad man. No. Yes, I ride the blood clean. I saw it a good time. Go on.
notice your absence when you talk about belly. Them don't have any. Talk about belly, my dogs got belly, got belly. My dogs got belly. Walk with the rifle, we sing R. Kelly got belly.
All little kids, them a bad man too, no people. All little booby nail, them a bad man too. All the little booby nail, them a bad man too. I doubt me a all the old man a bad man. All the shided old man a bad man too. I doubt me a look on right now. I be a bad man then every day, you know. Go on.
My dogs got belly. Broad daylight, we a fly boy jelly got belly. Left the whole place shelly. All of my
Is a cutlass the bad man have? The bald man have a cutlass too? I threw the glasses on upside down. I saw it at time, me sorry. Go!
ass got belly,
Flame them. Yo dog, what you are yo? Bad boy, you badness sex fire. No matter much boy that you hope your man buy yo. Pull up on him like guy won't start fire.
Oh gosh, here comes our next bad man. No sir. I thought he was just gonna be in the music video, no? But he's also performing his badmanism. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I be a bad man there. The bad man them outside, big up again. Go on!
New spinners for your face admire. Try this, you kill a head, roll car tire. Never pull a trigger on a nigga, use a liar. Real soul, take a every
The
top.
life on badness. You never pull a chick up on a nigga, use a liar. You hear the girl roll like car tire. You're not bad man. You know what? This is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not calling these artists any bad man. This is just for entertainment purposes only. You understand me? I can just simply turn my glasses around, you feel me? And look presenter. Me still look like a gimmicks, man. But I'm not saying. It's just for entertainment purposes only. For those who's going to take it serious. You understand me? Because they don't know, say, I'm here the bad man. You know me? Look for me good. Go on, BS. Go on!
Me a choir, so calm down, sir, don't spark me nerve. Lawless, don't like boys, I'm glad you heard. Easy, we take your life and take your girl, got to church.
People play like 10,000 times. Lawless, wait, whoa. Lawless don't like, what they say? Buys. Buys. What they say? Buys.
Yeah, easy words, hey. So don't make the boss guy remind you.
Yeah.
Got a brand new shipment from China. Poor giant thugs is real life MacGyver. Plus we get pussy more than panty liner.
when you talk about
How is that possible? The circumference of the body equals 2 times 10 plus the pum pum equals 4 times 10 plus the vagina equals 3 times 10 and body in a pum pum that in a waist, the girl comes to the pum body like chair. Body in your pum pum now that equal 2 times 3 times 4, which is 25, 36 minus the subtraction. So you get more pum pum that? You get more pum pum that panty line? Panty line plus pum pum equal 3 panty a day change because they have a wet up skirt and all of that, and 4 times 6 equals 35 and 35 plus that equals 56 and 13 times 24 equals 110 and you get more pum pum that panty line. 5 plus 15, 20, 25 plus 25 equals 50, 50 plus 50 equals 100, 100 minus 100 equals 256 times 110. You get more pum pum that panty. Go on!
Belly, them don't have any. Talk about belly, my dogs got belly, got belly. My dogs got belly, you will play Shelly. All of my
Them boy are bad.
Understand? You could there, y'all could there. Whoever want there, they could there, and we could go live. Me.
Bad man, them be. You know what? Me listen to the rest of this, me listen to the rest of that video, yeah, and see what them have to say. Because right now, I'll be a bad man there about.
Like fuck you up and the career, cause after that, wherever far you think you get in, I'm ready to fight with that nigga like right now.
Officer, let me the thing, no? You deal with the thing, so. You see, yo, I tell you, say you're a bad man, you know. That's what I make. This been a boy time I say, okay, the reaction boss. I hope you all enjoyed this little reaction video. You understand me? Remember again, people, entertainment purposes only. You feel me? The man, you're not a bad man. Not that I know of. You feel me? So, big up yourself, big up to the 2 artists, then big up to the whole of Guyana also. Big up to the whole Caribbean as usual. We can't say big up one place, but I don't know. You don't know the thing said. What pre-world boss? What you say? Subscribe! And the road to 50K. Russian boss signing out. Peace.